So I was just coming out here for a peaceful walk in the woods, and it started pouring down rain. And I'm like 3 miles from my house, and it's pouring. Wow, look at this. This is unbelievable. Whoa, man, it's like a hurricane out here. Wow, I gotta find shelter right now before I get killed. Time under this trailer to get some relief from the rain. It's really pouring. Just look. And the trailer's wet a little bit, but it's a lot drier than it is outside. So I'm just thinking, I built this hut a few years ago in the woods, and I gotta make my way there because that's the only really dry place out in this woods. And it's just pouring, no end in sight. I'm gonna have to get out of this because I don't feel safe under this trailer. A tree could snap at any moment, get this trailer off this jack here, and I'd be dead. So I gotta get out of here. Gotta find a better situation. I gotta book it to that hut. I would say it's about a half mile from here, but I don't know if you've ever seen a person with cerebral palsy run, but it ain't pretty. Oh man, look at it right now. Wow! This is unbelievable! There's another branch that fell on the trail. Back there's my hut. Briefly starts to subside, plus I'm under this bush. But man, on the way back here, there were a bunch of limbs down. And all this was unbelievable. It was blowing probably 30 miles per hour at the maximum. And it was just kaboom, kaboom, kapow! Back behind me, some of those limbs that I was talking about that fell. And there were more of them over on that trail. They must have fallen off this tree here. These look to have some dead branches. So I better get out of the way right now before I get hit in the head with the branch. Man, this is deep. And as you can see over there, there's that drain tile, and it's all the way under the water. This is unusual for the hut to be this buried in water. And remember last year I said this ladder's probably gonna fall down when it melted, when it thawed out in the spring. Well, here it is. It fell off the side. Equipped with 2 cameras, and because it's raining so hard, my GoPro turned off in my pocket, and then it wouldn't turn on when I put it on out there. You can see I turned it on, basically what I did is I turn it on and I press this and the light should blank, turn on where it's recording, but nothing happened. So I'm hoping if I go in, so it's starting to quit rain. I made it back there with this and then I tried to turn it on when I got back in there and it wouldn't turn on. So I had to use this one, but I'm heading back because it did quit raining. I think I'll be able to make it back now. I'm a little closer to home, so I'll make it back. There's a hot outside view. It seems like each year it gets a little bit worse and worse because it was built in a swamp. It was made, you know, be a cool place to hang out, which it was for a few years, but then it just, you know, where the Mother Nature took a toll on it.